These are now allowing you as stakeholders, so that they are already not in then they have a bigger
That's why we have included local technology company in Subukos, so that we have capacity locally. And then we have expertise from outside who provide the satellite data. Not only providing satellite data, it's very easy to get the data, but really to interpret it and make it accessible.
So we'll be showcasing a lot of these technologies, and we'll be using the opportunity today to discuss with you ways that we can do business with you.
Today is yet a landmark in the sector of agriculture, where the farmers have now got an opportunity to be in groups, 250,000 of you to come together on a platform, on a digital forum, to share information on weather tips, agronomic tips, even about loans, market linkages, and drought insurance. This is the way to go.
They're the agronomic messages that we send out. How do we commercialize the agronomic message? Ultimately, we see it as follows. If a message comes out saying soils are too hot and can burn the seed, delay the planting, or consider irrigation to boost germination, we'll then append a message saying you can contact, for instance, Crown Uganda Limited. This is a hypothetical service provider, by the way. Crown Uganda Limited on the following number for low-cost irrigation solutions.
Now, this reflected signal, this is what the satellites measure, and this is what we use to derive information about the surface of the Earth.
So for that we use Earth observation. So with Earth observation we can actually monitor the whole country in one step. And we do that every day. For that we use satellite information, and we use more than 90 images every day to monitor Uganda.
If you are ready to compensate, when we are proposing that for this month installed by every
you choose the members of Uganda Command Common Voice platform.